everyone, I am Swastika. Today I am going to demonstrate, show basically the output which I can obtain using this LED matrix module. I have just now concluded my experiment in which I had to interface this LED matrix, write some operational codes to display numbers in continuation like A, B, C, A, B, C in loop. While doing this, I felt like this was similar to the pattern which we see in Diwali lights. Like they have some pattern, some lights blink, some lights are blinking, some glow at the same time, they turn off at the same time, and they form a pattern. Maybe some letters, maybe some designs like that. So I guess that they have this small component, a small that is a small box at the in their wire which maybe has the code to instruct the lights when to glow and when to turn off. It might be having a microprocessor within, and we do have a button using which we control the pattern. So this is very similar to it, what I have found. Now the code to start it is very long. Like it starts from this address 2000. Like it's the beginning is to initialize the ports, and then different codes to different functions. For example, 201B has this code 340. This is used to set the delay time, and this is the code which is for actually instructing when to glow, when not to glow for A, B and C. So we have a matrix here. You can see there are rows, there are columns, and how it happens is that, let us say if I want to glow this light, then the row corresponding to this light should have the value 1 and the column should have the value 0. This is how it is to be done. I've already given it all the code, and I will just show you how. So the starting address is 2000, if you can see it. G is used for execution. 2000 is the starting address from where the first line of code has been written, and you can see A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C in continuation. Using this technique, we can also display other patterns, maybe lines, maybe small pictures, circles, letters, numbers, and that's it.